Busy sent over the record. Say, hey boss, please send this over to Karma. So Busy, before you even sent the record over, I already bought it. All right. I love to support our artists. I buy most of my records, even before you guys send it over. Don Corleone sent over Taurus Riley's Baby Blue record. I didn't see the email. I bought the record because I thought it was a really good record. Then I checked my email. Boom. Don sends it. Hey, Karma, check out this record. I'm like, Don, I already bought the record, but thank you. So I have two versions. I have two records. Yes, indeed. I'm just saying that to say thank you for recognizing and sending over the records when you do. Next time, I'll just wait. I ain't going to spend my $1.29 or my 99 cents to buy the record to send it over. I'm going to wait. But don't wait too long. Because if I wait too long, especially if I'm putting my playlist together and you take too long to send it over, I'm just going to buy it. Either way. It's going to be played on Streaminn HUBB Radio and on a Surefire Saturday. Let's jump into this Busy signal. Busy went old school with a new school vibe. And I kind of like it. It reminds me of the couple of records I'm going to play after I play this one. Busy signal with a brand new track. Let's blaze.
Dance and turn up the please. Old school, new school, turn up the beat. I see the people them a rocking on the street. Fresh pair of clocks off the clean on me feet. Dance and a play, bounce it and repeat. Old school, new school, everything blame. Easy is a signal, match it up again. Dance as a dance and a be a problem. Stepping on the road, hear me now. Kick out your foot, push up your hand. Yes, that's how we time. Y'all buffing us, y'all buffing us, y'all buffing us, y'all buffing us.
Back it up, Streaminn HUBB Radio. Back it up, back it up.
So, dance and turn up the please. Watch out. Old school, new school, turn up the beat. Now we see the people them a rocking on the street. Fresh pair of clocks off the clean on me feet. Dance and a play, bounce it and repeat. Old school, new school, everything blame. Easy is a signal, match it up again. Dance as a dance and a be a problem. Stepping on the road, hear me now. Kick out your foot, push up your hand. Yes, that's how we time. Y'all buff in a shorts and a shake bang bang. Mashing up the place as a real young man. Miss a rockin' no day, but the legacy has strive. Style a style, fashion a fashion. Play the beat, listen the pattern. Pick up some of the ranking.
New style.
And hobbies is so versatile. I do some fancy cast and I run. Old school, new school, turn up the beat. Now we see the people them a rocking on the street. Fresh pair of clocks off the clean on the feet. Dance and a play, bounce it and repeat. Old school, new school, everything blame. Easy is a signal, match it up again. Dance as a dance and a be a problem. Stepping on the, stepping on the, stepping on the, stepping on the.
So here's new style, new dance in your hand, in your hand.
Back it up, Streaminn HUBB Radio. Back it up,
Watch me, so.
DJ Karma.
Dance and turn up the please.
Karma.
Watch out. Old school, new school, turn up the beat. Now we see the people them a rocking on the street. Fresh pair of clocks off the clean on me feet. Dance and a play,
Watch this
and repeat. Old school, new school, everything blame. Easy is a signal, match it up again. Dance as a dance and a be a problem. Stepping on the road, hear me now. Kick out your foot, push up your hand. Yes, that's how we time.
in your hand, in the ear, then you rock, then you do.
Mashing up the place as a real young man.
Step forward and come up back with
Style a style, fashion a fashion.
rap bogle down.
Listen the pattern. Poke up the ranking dog and melody band. And hobbies is so versatile.
Some of your tune now play, I'm must on it.
School, new school, turn up the beat. Now we see the people them a rocking on the street. Fresh pair of clocks off the clean on me feet. Dance and a play, bounce it and repeat. Old school, new school,
New
everything
style.
blame. Easy is a signal, match it up again. Dance as a dance and a be a problem. Stepping on the